Hello everyone, I welcome you all again on today's recipe. Today we are having or cooking or preparing okwa. This is called breadfruit in English, but okwa in Igbo language. This is a very rich, sumptuous meal in Nigeria. So let's go ahead and start cooking. This is how okwa looks like. This is already cleaned and washed. Other ingredients are bonga fish. I like using bonga fish for any of my porridge. And here are salt, seasoning cube, the bonga fish already deboned, onions, peppers and crayfish. So this is ungo. I will link the video of a YouTuber that's prepared this on her video, how to make ungo. It's a tenderizer and it's a substitute for potash. So here okwa is inside the pot already with water a little above it. So I like adding my fish or the fish together with the okwa so that it will cook for a long time and get softened, because this fish can be hard, trust me. So after that, this is the point that you add the tenderizer. Any tenderizer you want to use, either or potash, or you continue cooking like that, or pressure pot. I think pressure pot will be perfect for this because it takes long to cook. So here I'm adding the ungo. So after that I cover it to cook. So here I'm blending the onion, crayfish and pepper you saw earlier. So after 45 minutes, yes, 45 minutes of cooking this, it is soft, as you can see. So the next thing is to start adding the remaining ingredients. So here I'm adding the already blended crayfish, onions and pepper. Oil going in, palm oil. Seasoning cube going in, and some salt to taste. So after that, you give it a very good stir. After mixing all together, cover it to cook for another 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, this is how it's looking like. At this point, this okwa is done. So I just have to give it a very good mix or stir. Then okwa food is ready. So please, if you find this video interesting, helpful, please click on that subscribe button. Please share this video to your family and friends. Okay, thank you. I really do appreciate. So you have to give this a very good, because some are even sticking to the bottom of the pot. Then the next thing is to serve. Food is ready. Please come and eat.